Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create shortcut on Google Chrome. On a Chrome homepage you can add any icon like YouTube, Facebook, ChatGPT or any other website icon which you want to add. So first of all open your browser. Here firstly you have to check whether your Chrome browser updated or not. So how you can check it? Simply click on this three dot option. Then go to the help, click on about Google Chrome. Here you can see my Google Chrome is updating because it is not up to date. So wait for a few seconds and let it to be updated. Now click on new window. So to add the shortcut icons, you will find the customize Chrome option at the right corner. So just click on customize Chrome option. Scroll down here, you will find the show shortcut options. So if it is not selected, then select this option. Select show shortcuts options. And here you will see add shortcut option will be appear on your Chrome homepage. Close this window. Click on add shortcut. Here you can insert the name of your shortcut, like I want to create a YouTube shortcut. So write YouTube. Here you have to put YouTube link, or you can simply open YouTube in new tab and just copy this link. Like I will write YouTube here. I will click on this and then I will copy this URL and then I will paste this URL on this option and then click on done. So here you can see YouTube shortcut has been created on your Chrome homepage. So now you can directly open YouTube just by clicking on this shortcut. Like I will click on this shortcut and here you can see YouTube has opened directly from here. So guys, in this video we saw how to create shortcut on Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.